5 Scrub brush for cleaning bathtubs you can get from Amazon. Number 1. Libigo Electric Spin Scrubber Law 1 Pro. Cordless spin scrubber with 4 replaceable brush heads and adjustable extension handle. Power cleaning brush for bathroom floor tile white. Number 2. 2-in-1 cleaning brush tub and tile scrubber brush sponge with 46 extendable long lightweight handle detachable stiff bristles scrub brush for cleaning bathtub shower bathroom. Number 3. Geniani Electric Spin Scrubber 360 Cordless Powerful Scrub Brush for cleaning bathroom, tile, floor, tub, and shower with adjustable extension handle and 3 replaceable rotating brush heads white. Number 4. Holicum 5-pack deep cleaning brush set, scrub brush and grout and corner brush and scrub pads with scraper tip and scouring pads for bathroom, floor, tub, shower, tile, bathroom, and kitchen surface green. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Extendable Tub and Tile Scrubber 42 inches. Subscribe to see more items. Links to items in this video are in the description. Thanks for watching.